English Listening Test for Kids. Starter Level, Test 14. 1. I have 3 markers. I have 3 markers. Two. What's that?
It's a crab.
What's that?
It's a crab.
Three. It goes on the water. It is a boat. It goes on the water. It is a boat. Four. What would you like to eat?
I'd like salad.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like salad.
Five. What can you play?
I can play the violin.
What can you play?
I can play the violin.
Six. What's that?
It's a shark.
What's that?
It's a shark.
Seven. It's black and white and has 4 legs. It is a zebra. It's black and white and has 4 legs. It is a zebra. Eight. What can you play?
I can play baseball.
What can you play?
I can play baseball.
Nine. It swims in the sea. It is big. It is a whale. It swims in the sea. It is big. It is a whale. Ten. What would you like to eat?
I'd like soup.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like soup.